Hi, in this video we are going to discuss about paper jams and paper feed issues in HP OfficeJet Pro 8020 series printer. So in this video we will cover these topics. First of all, clear a paper jam, clear a print carriage jam, and learn how to avoid paper jam, and finally solve paper feed problems. So clear a paper jam. Paper jams can occur in several locations inside the printer. To clear a paper jam from input tray, you need to press and hold two buttons on both sides of the output tray to move out of the output tray from the printer. As arrow is indicating here in this image, so you can follow the same. Next step will be remove the input tray by pulling it all the way out of the printer. As arrow is indicating this image, you can refer this image. And the next step will be check the input tray area underneath of the printer and remove the jam paper. Next step, insert the input tray back until it snaps into the place and insert the output tray back into the printer. To clear a paper jam from the print zone, you need to follow these steps. First, open the front door. As you can see in this image, arrow is indicating here. And next, open the cartridge access door. If the printer cartridge is not obstructed, move the print carriage to the far left to the printer and remove the jam paper, as you can see here in this image. And the next step, if need, move the carriage to the far right of the printer and remove any jammed or torn pieces of the paper. Lift the handle of the paper path cover and remove the cover. And next, locate any jam paper inside the printer, grasp it with the both hands and pull it towards you. For important caution, you can read the screen contents. Next step, reinsert the paper path cover until it snaps into the place, as you can see in this image. So you can follow all the image instructions so that you can do it easily. Next step, close the cartridge access door and close the front door. Now we will see to clear a paper jam from the document feeder. First step, lift the cover of the document feeder. Pull any jam paper out of the roller and lift the document feeder tab from the center, as you can see in this image. And pull any jam paper out under the rollers. Close the document feeder tab. You need to close it and close the cover of the document feeder until it snaps into the place. And lift up the document feeder tray. You need to lift it up. Remove any jam paper under the tray and put down the document feeder tray. To clear a print carriage jam issues, remove any objects such as paper that are blocking the print carriage. For important note, you can read the screen contents and learn how to avoid paper jams. To help avoid paper jams, you need to follow these guidelines which is available on the screen so that you can avoid paper jam issues in your printer. And last topic of this video, which is solve paper feed problems. So you need to find out what kind of problem are you having with the printer. If paper is not picking up from the tray, you need to follow these guidelines, as you can see here. And if pages are scraping, then you need to follow these guidelines. You need to check these details. And if multiple pages are being picked up, then you need to check and follow these guidelines. So in this way you can avoid and solve paper feed and paper jam issues with the printer. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you want any help related to your printer, just click on the support link which is available in this video description.